Hi there, hello, how are you? I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day so far. Today has been amazing. I am so excited to finally be sitting down with you and opening up Spooky Doodle Club. The entire shop is the cutest damn thing I've ever seen in my entire life. So I'm obsessed with them. I did an unboxing of them on my Canna channel last month, I believe it was, or maybe it was the beginning of October. And then I did an unboxing of them maybe 1 or 2 times last year. Last year I did some like a scaled Etsy mystery box spooky Halloween edition kind of a thing, and we had this box which was like $20. Then I had one that was mid-range, I think it was $50, and one that was higher end that was $75. And let me tell you, this thing won leaps and bounds over any other box that I could find. So this year I was going to go onto Etsy and try to do the same thing, but it's like the same shops, and I wasn't super thrilled with the more expensive shops last year, so I didn't really want to do it again. So with all that being said, that's what we have today. It's Spooky Doodle Club. Before we jump into it, I feel like I need a slight bit of elevation. I'll give you a second if you would like to do the same thing. Okay, now that I feel like we're definitely in the right headspace, let's jump into a word from today's sponsor. I am extra excited about it. Let me introduce you to my preferred online head shop, Cloudcat Stash. If you partake in a little of the devil's lettuce, well then they have all the goods for you, minus the actual devil's lettuce. You could be a glass type of guy or a papers kind of girl. Perhaps you're looking for something fancy, like a vase you can smoke out of, or something low-key, like a steamroller. Regardless, Cloudcat Stash carries top names like My Bud Vase, Grav, Empire Glassworks, and MJ Arsenal, as well as their own private line and more budget-friendly brands. But that's not all. This online head shop has the accessories to elevate your sesh, like ISO stations, ash catchers, terp timers, cleaning supplies, odor eliminators, and even smell-proof bags. They've got it all. The first place I go when I need new goodies for my sesh is Cloudcat Stash. They were so kind to give us a coupon code. Use code Chrissy10 to save some coin when you head over to the shop. Get it? Because it's an online head shop. Do you get it? They do still have a little bit of their Halloween drop left, and if you want it, you need to get it because like once it's gone, it's gone. It's limited edition, so like it's gone. You will never see it again, except for when I use it on camera. But I'm not selling mine. Nobody is getting their hands on my Beetlejuice sesh set up. There are still some available. If you really want it, just head over to the site and get it yourself. Next up are the Christmas drops though. I have not seen what those are going to look like. I can only try to envision in my brain what a stoner Christmas setup could possibly look like, and there's a bajillion different options. I don't know why I imagine gnomes. Oh, because of elves. I was thinking gnomes, but it would be more elf. Yeah, but be sure to follow them on their Instagram. That's where everything gets posted first. It's Cloudcat Stash. I'll also have their Instagram and their website linked down below with our coupon code, so you can head over there very easily. Tell me what you get, okay? All right, now let's head into today's unboxing. I hope you're as excited about this as I am, because it's gonna be, by the way, this came from Cloudcat Stash. I forgot I had that in my mouth. Here we have this stabbing tool. It's like a dab tool. You can use it for so many things. Currently, I'm gonna use it to break into this box. You can use it as a debowler, as a packer, as a to pick up dabs, to you know when you get gift cards and you're supposed to scratch off the back for that access code, this would be it rather than using your nails. So this is Spooky Doodle Club. It's $19.99. It's not a subscription box. It came off of Etsy. I think shipping was somewhere in the $4 range. It's a flat rate across the board for anybody. So you would like be walking away from this at $24 and change. Oh no, wait, and tax. It was like $26.58 or something like that. It comes with like 10 different items in here, and the items are, it's like an art shop, but they have enamel pins, stickers, earrings, postcards, art prints, things like that. You know when you order something off of Etsy, there's always that box that you can leave a note for the seller at the very end. In that box, you can put some things. Like this is not going to be custom made custom. It is slightly custom curated for you, but you can't say, I love this on your site, can you please put that in here? But there are 2 requests that you can make. One, if you have a preferred pronoun, you can put that in there. It's not a guarantee that there's going to be something with that pronoun that's available to put inside of the box, but at least then Elaine knows, that's the owner of the shop, I'm pretty sure that's her name, would know what item to stick in there. I do not know her personally. I pay for these. I just made it sound like I knew her, but her name is like on everything. Once you pull it out of the box, you'll see that it says Elaine like everywhere. And then the second thing that you can customize would be the earring. So you can't like pick earrings on the site again and tell her to put that in the box. But if you have only one ear pierced, then she'll send you like a mismatched set so that you have 2 different earrings, which is kind of cool. If you don't have your ears pierced at all, then you can say like, please don't send me any earrings, send me everything else. And if you are like me and you absolutely adore their earrings the most, I think their earrings are the best, my most favorite part of their entire site, then I say, if possible, could you please put 2 pairs in instead of just 1? And last time she was able to do that, and I think it like substituted out maybe a stationary item, but I'm totally good with that. I did make an add-on as well, and I'm wondering if that's what's in this bag, but maybe not. I added on a sticker. This is super cute for Halloween though, right? I kind of feel like I'm at like a birthday party for Chuck E. Cheese, but I like it because it's got candy in it. It has a Kit Kat, a Sour Punch straw, this bloody brush thing that leaves your entire mouth vibrantly red, this eyeball mint, and a 2-sided stamper. So like cute little accessory things. Okay, this is packaged a little bit differently than before, so I assumed that this next thing might be my sticker, but it's got too much in it, so I feel like this is still part of the bag as well. I hear something shaking around in there, which could potentially be earrings. There's sometimes a keychain. Legit, if you get any Halloween-esque mystery box ever, this is where it's at. Trust, because I've tried a bunch of them. All right, first up, yes, it's a pair of earrings. Oh, it's Elena. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad now. I feel like it's so rude when somebody messes up your name. Okay, so these are the earrings, red lightning bolt, black lightning bolt. This is like probably also an example of, I mean, they're definitely meant to go together, but they could also just be separate from one another. I got mad at my sideburns the other day and shaved them, so don't give me shit about it. I don't know. I couldn't handle it. I couldn't do it anymore. And so then I had my freak out moment, and then I had my regret moment. And now I'm on like day 3 of trying to grow them back. Look at how perfect these are. These would go so good with my Cruella de Vil costume because of the red and the black. We are off to an excellent start. Next up, we have a keychain. It looks like this one is going to be perfect for Alexa's backpack. I got one in, it says, is it Halloween yet? And it was like the same kind of vibe in the Spooky Doodle Club that I did last month or way earlier this month on my Canna channel. And Alexa was so salty with me that I didn't give her one, but there was like one in there, and I don't know, she's not much of a keychain girl. Now she's got hers. It says trick or treat. It's super lightweight. It's like a little word bubble. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize. Look at how cute this little skull charm is. Oh my God, I'm dying at that little detail. That's so cute. And then we have our little pack of stationery type goodies. I already love this first print. Let me grab that first. This print is actually a zodiac signs of the zodiacs on a 2-headed snake, and we have a 2-headed snake at the Reptarium, one of my favorite places to go. If you've not heard me talk about it, it's a reptile zoo. You've probably heard of them. Well, they have a 2-headed snake named Ben and Jerry, and I love that snake, and so I don't know, I love this print. I love this print. Holy hell, it's like I told her exactly what it was that I would want to hang. This is the cutest little toad on a mushroom. And these are like good stock prints. Like you could put them in a little 4x6 frame. I'm probably going to get a matted frame and do like a trio or something of them because I have a few more of the prints. I'll probably go onto the Etsy shop and find something else that would also like correlate, like a little threesome set. We have a sticker pack here of Halloween stickers. I don't know if I've ever gotten like a sticker sheet from them before, but these are some of the stickers that were actually used on the box as well. No, not that one up there. These are temporary tattoos. I'm so excited about fat temporary tattoos. Do you know how much fun this is gonna be for me and the kids? That's part of the fun of getting stuff like this, is just that like my kids also get to enjoy it with me, and then they get home and then I tell them all the sweet shit that I got, and then they go through it, and it's like we get excited all over again. And then when it has something that they can use or they can keep in it, oh man, we're just like on 7th heaven then here. There's a small solstice-y sticker. We have a Ghouls juice. This is perfect as well. I have this magnet, surprisingly. Maybe not so surprisingly, but I needed another one. I needed another one of these stickers as well because the kids have been arguing about them. And then there are 2 little cute Halloween ones, like little bonus ones to add in. Oh my God, I love that little art pack. I feel like I could get high on Spooky Doodle unboxings. And then this is what I ordered, actually. So it was included in here, but it's like separate. This is probably why she knew about this art print. It's like now it's starting to kind of come together a little bit. I bought this sticker. I absolutely adored it. It's like these mushroom sketches. I kind of want to stick it somewhere on the back of my laptop. Oh my God. Is that the perfect? Let's do it. They're vinyl, like high quality ones. You could put it on your car window. You could put it on a cup that you put in the dishwasher. And they're relatively cheap. Can I do this like this with you? Can you see? Like right there, I believe is perfect. I love. I don't know how many times I could say I'm so excited for this. There's one more thing in here though, and I feel like we've already got a lot, but maybe there's another pair of earrings in here. Are you ready? Oh shoot. I thought it was just gonna be right underneath. I am so excited for this. It's a 3-pack of earring studs. Let me show you. Okay, so we have little pumpkin homes, but it's kind of like a little fairy home that's got like a little window. Oh my gosh, we have these pink acrylic ghosts, and then we have these adorable little snails, and they all have like the regular gold post on the back, and it does have that like a little clear. They included it for these as well, but when I put them through, like in between my tunnel or plug and my earlobe skin, I don't need them. They don't like ever slide up or back out at all. So I do have my second holes pierced, so these would still work for me. I want the ghosts though. These are far too big for my second holes, but I have another option. I believe I have it over here. As it would turn out, I don't. And now I can't actually recall where they are, but this is what they are. They're called something. I also got them on Etsy. I'll be sure to have them linked down below. They're gauges. They're plugs that you stick in that have its own like drop hole so that you can post earrings into your stretched ears. It's a really cool concept. It's a really neat, like, it's called a blank. I believe that's what it is. I don't know, I'll have a link. Okay, so I'm gonna make a suggestion to this box when I leave my review, is that they come out with an earring mystery box and a sticker mystery box and like an art print mystery box. Like, get a couple more of those, because while I would still definitely do this one because I love the mix of the art prints and the stickers and the earrings and stuff, I would probably do the earring one like monthly. We could turn this into a subscription. I would get it all the time. If you wanna see what I got, what the earrings were that I got in my last one, they were amazingness, absolute amazingness. You'll have to watch that video. Okay, so then that was it. That was everything that I have for you all today. Thank you all so damn much for being here. Please consider hitting subscribe while you're here. If you're into mystery box unboxings or subscription boxes, these aren't the girth of the channel, but they are, that's not the correct word for that. They are not the bulk of the channel, but they are part of the channel. Primarily, we're here organizing the home because honestly, like, I got trapped in my house and I feel overwhelmed by all the things that are around me and all the chaos that's around me. And when there's chaos around me, there's chaos in my brain. So this is just my cathartic way of organizing with you so that we can get our shit together. Huge shout out to all my patrons for making videos like this possible. Also to Cloudcat Stash for sponsoring today's video, because honestly, finding sponsors for videos just in general is incredibly hard and YouTube does not pay. But then to have my favorite online head shop partner up with me and give you all a code, be sure you use code Chrissy10. Let me know what you get down below. All the links and everything that you need to know from this video will be linked down below in the description box and in the pinned comment. And that is it. Love you all so damn much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.